How to rebuild lost muscle after 70 step-by-step guide. Stop what you're doing. If you're over 70, I have the most important challenge of your life. Are you weaker than you used to be? Does climbing stairs feel like an insane marathon? I'm here to tell you that is not your future. We are going to crush that feeling, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can build incredible strength starting today. I'm not kidding, we're talking 70, 80, even 90 years old. Research proves it is never too late. So let's get into the craziest, simplest plan to make it happen. Section 1. Why it's not just old age. That weakness you feel? It has a name, sarcopenia. And today we are declaring war on it. Doctors literally call it a real medical condition, and it's trying to steal your strength every single day. It can start in your 30s, and by the time you're over 60, it makes everything harder and falling a huge risk. But guess what? We're going to steal that strength right back. Scientists have proven that people in their 80s and 90s can build huge amounts of new muscle with the right strategy. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. It's a challenge for the ultimate prize. Your freedom and your independence for the rest of your life. The secret is combining insane movement with insane fuel. Section 2. The How Your Ultimate Workout Challenge. Alright, this is the big challenge. But first you have to talk to your doctor before you start. Be smart, be safe. The fastest way to build muscle is with resistance training, and I want you to do it 2 or 3 times every single week. Don't worry, we're not lifting cars here. We're doing simple moves that will blow up your muscles safely. You have to feel the burn in the last few reps but never ever feel pain. I'm giving you the ultimate at-home workout. For every single exercise, I want you to destroy 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. First, the chair squat. This is the #1 most important exercise for staying independent. It literally strengthens the exact muscles you need to get out of a chair. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Now slowly lower yourself down, then explode back up. Every rep is you buying more freedom. Second, the wall push-up. This move builds crazy upper body strength for pushing open heavy doors or even pushing yourself up from a fall. Stand an arm's length from a wall, hands flat against it. Keep your body straight and bring your chest to the wall. Then push back like a boss. Third, seated rows with a resistance band. We are destroying bat posture with this move. Sit up tall in a chair and loop a resistance band around your feet. Now pull that band to your lower chest and squeeze your shoulder blades like you're trying to crush a walnut between them. Then slowly release. Fourth, the glute bridge. This is your secret weapon for insane balance and stability. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips off the floor until your body is a straight line. Hold it for a second, then lower it down. This is how you build a rock-solid foundation. Listen to me. Starting slow and being consistent is infinitely more important than being intense. Master the movement, and as you get stronger you make it harder. Section 3. The fuel, the secret to muscle explosion. You cannot win this challenge without the right fuel. Exercise is the spark, but protein is the explosion that builds new muscle. And I need you to listen to me. As you get older, your body needs an insane amount of protein. Expert groups like the ProdAG study group say healthy older adults need 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein for every kilogram they weigh. If you have chronic conditions, you need even more, like 1.2 to 1.5 grams. Don't let the math scare you. Just aim for a massive 25 to 30 grams of protein with every single meal. We're talking chicken, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and Greek yogurt loaded up. If you can't eat that much, I'm giving you permission to use a protein supplement. It's the ultimate cheat code. Also, don't let yourself run low on vitamin D. Low levels equal weaker muscles. And talk to your doctor about how much protein you need, especially if you have kidney disease. Don't mess around with that. Final words. I just gave you the entire playbook to completely change your life. You literally have the power to rebuild lost muscle and take back your strength. It all comes down to 2 things. Consistent, simple resistance training and eating insane amounts of protein. The muscle you build is the independence you keep. If you want more insane, science-backed challenges to stay strong, you have to subscribe right now. And for your first mission, go to the comments below and tell me the one small step you are going to take this week. Don't wait, do it now.